Did you just wake up? Yeah? You talking? Ooh. Really? What's going on? You so happy? Look at all your little stuffed animals. Which one you want? You want Elmo? Here, you want Elmo? Here you go. Yeah, there's Elmo. Love him. Give him a kiss. Give him kisses. Oh. What about Lulu Bug? What about Lulu Bug? Hey, what about Lulu Bug? She's scared. She wants you to give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Give Lulu Bug a kiss. Go ahead. Good. Love them. What about Mr. Adafan? What about him? Want to give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Good girl. What about your little American Girl doll? Right here. Your little American Girl doll. You like her? Her sticked up hair right there? Oh, let's give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Aww. That's sweet. What about Eeyore? What about Eeyore? Like Eeyore? Give Eeyore kisses. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's give Mr. Bunny. What about Mr. Bunny? Mr. Bunny. What about Mr. Bunny? Oh yeah, you love him. Where is Ava? Ava, where are you? There you are. Where's Ava? Ava. Oh. Hi. Where's Ava? Where's Ava? Oh. Hi, Ava. Yeah. Where's Ava? Ava, where are you? Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ava, say bye-bye. Wave your hand. Wave your hand bye-bye.